To prevent access to the command prompt, go to search. In search, type Gpedit. Click on Edit Group Policy. In Local Group Policy Editor, under User Configuration, expand Administrative Templates, then click on System, scroll down. Here you will find a setting, Prevent Access to the Command Prompt. Right click on it and click on Edit. Not configured is selected. Select Enabled. Then under Disable the Command Prompt Script Processing, select Yes and then click on Apply, then click on OK. The policy is enabled. Close Group Policy. Now right click on Start menu, click on Run. In Run, type GP update /force. Click on OK. Updating the policy, and the group policy is updated successfully. That's it. This is the easiest way to stop user access to the command prompt on Windows 11 computer.